Step into the 2019 Honda Odyssey. This 7-passenger van provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.